11 Deadly Sins of Stand-Up Comedy. Ever wondered why some comedians leave the crowd in stitches while others leave them staring at their phones? Spoiler, it's not just about the jokes. Today, we're breaking down the 11 deadly sins that could be sabotaging your stand-up career. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, avoiding these pitfalls could mean the difference between a standing ovation and a standing walkout. Stick around. We're diving deep into real-world examples, actionable fixes, and even a mid-video tip to keep you motivated. Let's get started. Here's the cold truth. Stealing jokes isn't just unethical, it's career suicide. Remember the 2016 scandal where a rising comic lifted entire bits from lesser-known acts? Their career evaporated overnight. Your audience knows. Take it from Jerry Seinfeld. Originality is oxygen for comedians. But how do you find your voice? Start by mining your life. That awkward family reunion? Gold. Your weird obsession with cereal mascots? Gold. Write 10 jokes a day, even if 9 suck. Over time, you'll build a vault of material that's undeniably you. Great comedy isn't just heard, it's seen. Imagine if Robin Williams delivered his jokes like a PowerPoint presentation. Spoiler, he'd bomb. Your body language screams louder than your punchlines. Practice in front of a mirror. Record yourself. Notice how legends like Ali Wong use exaggerated gestures to sell a story. Pro tip, if you're nervous, start small. Walk 3 steps left on a setup, 3 steps right on the punchline. Movement builds momentum and confidence. Shock humor might get gasps, but laughter? Not so much. Take it from Anthony Jeselnik. He meticulously crafts dark jokes to avoid punching down. The rule? Punch up, not down. For example, instead of mocking marginalized groups, roast the absurdity of corporate jargon or influencer culture. Still stuck? Test edgy material at small open mics first. If 3 crowds squirm, scrap it. Your goal isn't to offend, it's to connect. Think you can just vibe on stage? Chris Rock rehearses each joke 100+ times. Why? Comedy is muscle memory. Try this. Break your set into chunks. Rehearse 1 chunk while brushing your teeth, another while cooking. Use voice memos to nail pacing. And if you blank on stage, pause. Breathe. Say, y'all, I'm having a moment here. Let's try that again. Audiences love vulnerability, if it's authentic. Hey, if you're loving these tips, smash that subscribe button. We drop weekly videos breaking down comedy secrets from legends like Chappelle and Burnham. Plus, stick around. We've got 7 more sins to avoid, including how to turn bombing into your superpower. If your jokes are met with crickets, that's feedback, not a challenge to yell louder. George Carlin famously rewrote entire hours based on crowd reactions. Here's your homework. After each set, ask the host or a trusted peer, what's one joke that didn't land? Then tweak it. For example, if a punchline about dating apps flopped, maybe the setup was too vague. Add specifics. I swiped right on a guy who listed his job as professional napper. Relatability saves jokes. Your audience craves you, not a knockoff. Maria Bamford didn't break out by copying others. She leaned into her quirks, like her obsession with courtroom TV. Struggling to find your voice? Try this. Write a joke in the style of your idol, then rewrite it in your words. Example, if Dave Chappelle would rant about politics, maybe you dissect the chaos of group texts. Authenticity is magnetic. Comedy is a dance, and timing is the rhythm. Ever notice how Dave Chappelle's pauses feel like cliffhangers? Here's how to master it. Add beat markers to your script. For example, after the setup, pause for 2 seconds, then deliver the punchline. Practice with a metronome app. Still rushing? Blame adrenaline. Channel it into physicality. Step forward on the punchline. Your body will slow you down. Bombing isn't failure, it's data. When Hassan Minhaj bombed at an early show, he realized his jokes were too niche. He pivoted to broader themes like immigrant parents. Post-bomb ritual, jot down one thing that worked. Maybe your callback landed, or you nailed a gesture. Focus on that win. And remember, the audience wants you to succeed. They're on your side, even when it doesn't feel like it. Your crowd isn't a monolith, they're collaborators. Jimmy Carr's crowd work isn't luck, it's strategy. Before shows, scan the room. Notice the guy in the band t-shirt? Sir, I see you're a Metallica fan. Are you here to heal from their new album too? Even small interactions build rapport. Pro tip, if you're shy, start with rhetorical questions. Raise your hand if you've ever. It's low risk, high reward. Comedy's secret weapon? Community. Amy Poehler credits the Upright Citizens Brigade with her career. Join a writing group. Trade feedback with peers. For example, I'll help you tighten your roast jokes if you help me with my crowd work. Not in a city? Online communities like Reddit's r/standup exist. Remember, your next big break might come from a peer's tip about an open mic. Here's the reality. Tig Notaro performed for decades with a legendary live album. Comedy isn't a sprint, it's a marathon with no finish line. Track small wins. Did you get a genuine laugh tonight? Did you recover from a stumble? Celebrate that. And when burnout hits, watch your favorite special. Remind yourself, they struggled too. Then get back on stage. Stand-up isn't about perfection, it's about persistence. Dodge these 11 traps, and you're already ahead of the pack. Now get out there, grab the mic, and remember, every legend was once a rookie with shaky knees and a dream. Want to keep leveling up? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We drop new videos every Thursday. And hey, drop your worst bomb story in the comments. Let's laugh with you, not at you. See you next time.